Let's make MawMaw's chicken casserole. I'll have the ingredients listed below. First, we're going to dump out all 3 cans of our soup. Next, we're going to add our spices. You really want to go heavy here as the chicken and rice need a lot of flavor. Next, we're going to pour in our chicken broth. I will list below my recipe for making it yourself, and then stir this really well. Next, we're going to add our rice and stir it again. We're going to pour our soup and rice mixture over our cubed chicken that's already in our baking dish. Make sure you spray it beforehand as this wants to stick. Bake it on 400 for about 50 minutes. It's going to come out nice and golden brown. Enjoy!